is going on, my Atomic Autoworks friends? So today we're actually working on, and it's not just today, it's going to be a few days, 2016 Volvo S90 leather dash repair. This bad boy shrunk something fierce, and we're going to fix it. Very common for a lot of these vehicles, especially the higher end, nicer vehicles, luxury vehicles that have leather dashes or leather interiors anyways, because they shrink around the door panels, the seats get messed up, and obviously the dashboards. And this one is shrunk a lot. You know, we do a lot of Aston Martins and Maseratis, and there's a lot of different vehicles that the dashes come apart in. This one here is a little bit of a challenge because they all are. Anytime you're removing a dash from a vehicle, there's a lot of hours, a lot of time. People like to think that it doesn't take as long as it does, but it does. There's a lot of screws, a lot of bolts, and you have to go through and make sure that you bag and tag and label everything so that every single nut and bolt goes back where it was. On these new vehicles, well, any vehicle, but on these new vehicles, there's a lot of technology and you have to be really careful and you want everything right. Let's begin, and you can take a look and see what we are doing. All right, the dash is almost ready to come out, and you can see there it's pretty much that leather shot. And what we're going to end up doing is you have to repattern this from scratch because all the leather that's on there shrunk so bad that you can't take it apart and use it as a pattern. So that's some of the extra time that's involved with this, and people wonder why these dashes are so expensive to repair. And here's another reason why they're a little bit expensive to repair. You have to take a lot of stuff apart. There's a lot of screws and you have to make sure they all go back. So what we do is label them. This is all the center console, what it took to take that out, because you have to move that back to remove the dash. And here is the right side of the dash. Radio, instrument cluster. Okay, so I think we are finally about ready to pull this dash out. Just to get the dash out of the vehicle. I think I had said that they had like estimated around 12 to 14 hours, and I wasn't sure if that was to remove and install or just remove, but it did take probably, I want to say 8 hours just to get the dash out. And I took my time. I did it off hours so no one's here, because I like to go through and just make sure that every nut and bolt is put away in a place where it's easy to get back to. And we took a lot of pictures as we're taking it apart. This being one of the first of the newer style Volvos that we're repairing the dash on, I wanted to make sure that there was nothing missed. And so we document a lot of everything we did so that we know for the future. We want to see what it takes to do it ourselves. So now you can see this dash is trash. And what I had said earlier is when you're pulling these off, a lot of times when you're doing upholstery, you could cut the seams out of everything and re-pattern off of that. But when these dashes shrink, you don't have that. So we got to pull this all off, clean the dash really good, and then we're going to have to pattern our own material off of this. So we'll go by what the original dash looked like, but we're going to put new leather on here, and the customer wants real leather. So Rick, how hard was this dash to get out of the car?
Oh, it's a piece of cake. I came in this morning and it was sitting here on the counter. And the mice must have pulled it out, put it up here for me today. It's been a good New Year.
Happy New Year. The first day of the new year, and your job's already halfway done. Careful, Grace, it's hot. It's steam. So this is everybody's favorite part of doing dashes, is removing the old glue. It always comes off really easy. Like, yeah, real easy. this is a nice sight. We are getting to the end. Look at this. Everything's away. What do we have left? Just the center console. And then you can finish this up. Super nice to be able to come in and look and not see the dash pulled up. We still got to clean it. Some of our markings from patterning are on there. We're getting close. We just have the center console that we're wrapping up. And then we could steam the dash, clean it all up. It is so much nicer now getting into the car. As you can see, no bubbles. No peeling, just a nice dash.